Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Steam while playing any game. You got an error, unable to load library steamclient64.dll. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. Let's start with the basic troubleshooting steps. Go ahead, open up your Windows Security. From the left pane, click on the option Protection History, and here all the files that are blocked by your antivirus will be shown. Go ahead, click on this drop arrow key, and you will find whether the file is blocked by your antivirus or not. If it is blocked, you need to unblock it. For example, this particular file is blocked, so you need to click on this action tab and choose the option allow the device. And to future proof that your antivirus doesn't block it, go to virus and threat protection, scroll down, click on the option manage settings, and again scroll down. Now click on the option add or remove exclusion. Now go ahead, click on the option add an exclusive, choose the folder and provide the folder where your game is installed, and this will fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, let's proceed with the second step. Go ahead, open up your browser and download the file which is missing from your system. Click on this download to download the file into your PC. Select 64-bit download and download the latest version into your PC. Solve the CAPTCHA. Save it into your system. Once the file is downloaded, open the file, right click on the file and choose the option copy, and you need to paste this file right in the game directory. For example, at my end, one of my game is installed: F drive, library, Steam apps, Copen, Stormgate. At every installation directory, you will find a folder with the name binaries. You need to open binaries, then Win64, and then you need to paste the file right over here. Right click and paste the files. However, if this particular folder is not available, for example, again I have a game, the binaries folder is not available, so simply paste the file right in the game directory. After pasting the file right in the game directory, make sure you paste the files in the remaining folders so that if where the file is required, it will be available right in that particular folder. Once done, again try to relaunch and check the issue has been fixed out or not. If this also failed to work out, then you need to do a simple trick. Again, first of all, go ahead and open the downloaded folder where you have downloaded the game. For example, again I'll talk about Spider-Man 2. Here is the game folder that I have downloaded. From here, you will find setup a file. Simply right click and choose the option copy. After copying the file, you need to open the game directory where this game is installed. And the game is installed in D drive games Spider-Man 2. Right over here, right click and choose the option paste. Paste the setup file right over here and then try to launch to fix out the issue of unable to load library steamclient64.dll. If this method also failed to work out, lastly is I have two programs. First one is Visual C++ and second one is latest version of DirectX. Go ahead, download both the programs one by one into your system. DirectX, and here is Microsoft Visual C++. Choose any of the mirror, save it into your PC. Now once both the programs are downloaded, go ahead and install these two programs into your system and then restart your PC and then launch the game to fix out the issue of unable to load library steamclient64.dll. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.